Hey guys, this is Daniel. I'm going to go over my trades with you really quick for today. I'm ending my day a little bit in the red today. Whenever the whole market is gapping down like this, it usually doesn't trade well. I traded 3 tickers today. The first one was MU. It opened weak, and then when it pulled back to VWAP, I went short, put my stop loss above this moving average here. It did start to drop. I thought I had a really good entry and it was going to go, but then when it got bought back up, I knew it wasn't going to be a short, so I stopped myself out early when it started to break above VWAP. I really like trading this setup. When you get the huge drop in the 1 minute candle, and then it pulls back on the second candle to VWAP. The second ticker I traded was mRNA. mRNA actually had a moving average down here, and that's what I used as my stop loss. It did open weak, and then it squeezed back up above VWAP. It started to hold VWAP, and every time it dropped down, it kept getting bought back up. It really looked like it wanted to pop. The only thing I didn't like about this trade is my entry. Here's the break right here. I usually don't like buying at the break. I usually like waiting for a pullback and then get the break. But I went long here knowing that there was a chance that it could pull back to this moving average, and it did pull back to this moving average. I would have loved to have an entry down here. And then it came back up and it just didn't have any follow through, so I stopped myself out just below break even. The third ticker I traded was NVDA, and NVDA, this is the type of price action I'm talking about that I had to deal with today. So it started to look like it was going to lose it here. I went short here. I put my stop loss above this candle here. It did start to come down to VWAP. I had an order set here. It didn't. It squeezed up and stopped me out at break even. And right after that, it dropped down and hit VWAP. And those are my trades for today. Have a good day.